Hey, I'm Christine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make vegan French toast. So for our vegan French toast, we have a few different ingredients. I have 5 slices of sourdough bread. This is whole grain sourdough bread cut into 3/4 inch slices. 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 banana sliced, a few pinches of sea salt, avocado oil for frying. So now to put this together, I've got my daughter Anya helping me. Go ahead, sweetie, you're gonna put the banana right in the cup. You can just dump that right in there. I've got this stainless steel cup. Next we're gonna add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup almond milk, half teaspoon of cinnamon, add a pinch of salt, blend until smooth with a stick blender. Pour the mixture into a shallow glass dish. And then we're going to take our bread and just dip them in the mixture and evenly coat both sides. And now we're going to flip it over. Coat the other side. You can let the bread, depending how dry your bread is, you may need to soak it in there for a little while just to really get it nice and soft with the mixture, and let it soak in there. So now we're going to lightly oil, this is a non-stick skillet, but I'm going to lightly oil it anyway with a little bit of avocado oil, or you could use coconut oil, any high heat oil. And now we're going to put our bread in there. So basically you're just going to let it cook on each side for several minutes. So these got a little well done on one side. I have to admit I had my pan heat a little on the high side, and you want to have your pan greased enough. So you can see that with adding more oil, the other side got perfect. It's just like a nice light golden without getting overdone. So it's all about having the right pan temperature and enough oil in the pan. Now we're going to simply transfer these to a plate, and while they're nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and put a few pats of some vegan butter on them. I'm going to drizzle this with pure maple syrup. Sprinkle with some powdered sugar that you can put in a sieve so that it just makes a nice presentation. And then you can sprinkle with some sliced almonds if you like. And there's your easy, delicious, banana, vegan French toast. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy cooking videos.